Hello, good morning. Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Topic is reactive intermediates. It is a lecture 1. It is for BSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Session 2020 to 2021. Reactive intermediates. Generally, 6 types of reactive intermediates are encountered in various organic reactions: carbonium ions or carbocations, carbon anions, free radicals, carbenes, arenes, nitranes. Carbocation. A carbocation is an ion with a positively charged carbon atom. Among the simplest examples are methanium ion. Properties. It forms due to hydrolytic cleavage, structurally trivalent compound. It having empty p orbital. Its hybridization is sp2 hybridization. It having S120-degree bond angle. It is electrophile. It is trigonal planar geometry. The different kinds of carbocations. Primary carbocations. In a primary carbocations, the carbon which carries the positive charge is only attached to one other alkyl group. This is the example. This is the ethyl carbocation, propyl carbocation, and isobutyl carbocation. Secondary carbocations. In a secondary carbocations, the carbon with the positive charge is attached to two other alkyl groups, which may be the same or different. See here, these are the both are same, and the secondary carbocation. Here it is a ethyl group and it is a methyl group. It is again secondary carbocation. Here it is propyl group and here it is a methyl group. It is a secondary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation. In a tertiary carbocation, the positive carbon atom is attached to three alkyl groups, which may be any combination of same or different. See here, this is a tertiary butyl carbocation and this is ethyl, methyl. Carbocation formation, solvolysis method. The solvolysis of tertiary butyl chloride is an SN1 reaction. It involves the formation of a tertiary carbocation. See here the formation of tertiary carbocation intermediate. From diazonium salt also forms carbocation. Protonation followed by dehydration of alcohols also forms carbocations. Here see the protonation and then dehydration of alcohols also form carbocations. Protonation of alkenes, an acid-base reaction. Protonation of the alkene to generate the more stable carbocations. The pi electrons act as a Lewis bead. Protonation of carbonyl compounds. Protonation of carbonyl compound, carbon of the carboxylic acid forms carbocations and nucleophilic attack of alcohol molecule to form oxonium ion. Next, carbocation stability. The stability of carbocation, how it is increasing. If the alkyl groups, methyl, ethyl, are weak electron donating groups, if they are present on carbocation, then its stability also increasing. See here, this is a methyl group, it is less stable, and tertiary, this is the butyl, it is more stable. This is less, comparatively less than this. Electron releasing and electron withdrawing group. If electron donating groups are present on carbocation, it stabilizes more. See here, electron donating groups are present on carbocation, it stabilizes more carbon. If electron withdrawing groups are present on carbocations, so it destabilizes a carbocation. Presence of double bond. The positive charge is delocalized around the aromatic structure. This delocalization of charge results in stabilization. As a result, benzylic and allylic carbocations are significantly more stable than even tertiary alkyl carbocations. Presence of heteroatoms. Presence of heteroatom also affects the stability of carbocations. Hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation also increases the stability of carbocation. The interaction of electrons in a sigma bond with an adjacent empty non-bonding p orbitals. In general, greater the number of alkyl groups attached to positively charged carbon atom, greater is the hyperconjugation, as greater will be the stabilization of cation. Aromaticity. Aromaticity, electrophile attacks the aromatic ring, leads to the formation of a resonance stabilized carbocation known as an rhenium ion. The positive charge on the carbocation is delocalized throughout the molecule. Thank you. Since there is a lot of content in this video, you can find the link to the slides in the description of the video.